Good morning, it's James the Forager here, and today we're going to start the day with an incredibly vibrant nettle smoothie. That's right, stinging nettle smoothie. Trust me, it's really good. So we're going to head out and pick our nettles. We're going for the very top, just the top 4 to 6 leaves for this one. The youngest then will blend nicely when they're raw. To make this smoothie, we're going to need 10 nettle tops. We're putting them in raw, and once they're blended, I can guarantee you they won't sting us. 1 ripe pear, chopped and cored, 1 teaspoon of honey, 4 tablespoons of Greek Yoghurt, and 4 tablespoons of water. That's it. Chuck it all into a blender, blend away until nice, green and smooth. Now, while we enjoy this delicious green powerhouse, let's talk about why nettles are our unsung heroes. Nettles are rich sources of vitamins A, C and K, as well as several B vitamins. They're packed with minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and they also contain a hefty dose of fibre, which aids digestion. Nettles have traditionally been used for their anti-inflammatory properties, and some studies even suggest they can help manage blood sugar levels, among other benefits. It's like a superfood hiding right there in our backyard, growing prolifically. This is a super nutritious green powerhouse. That's it, Nettle and Pear Smoothie, perfect way to start your day. Happy foraging!